The easiest hair mask ever. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your favorite girl Sylvia Oye in the building. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best and the simplest hair mask ever. To start our mask, let's extract the juice from the aloe vera. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so you don't miss a video from me. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Hi boo, how are you doing? Don't forget to like the video and share to your friends so we grow. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Don't hesitate to ask me any question that you have in the comment section, and I will be glad to answer all your questions. Let me give you a closer look of how to extract the aloe vera juice from the fruit. If you have no idea what aloe vera does, aloe vera is very good for moisturizing your hair. If you have very dry hair, you can just try only aloe vera. Use it to moisturize your hair daily. You can do it once in 3 days, and trust me, you are going to love it. It's going to leave your hair well moisturized and curly. It also has the ability to fight all the dead hair cells and bring them back to life. There are two ways of extracting the aloe vera juice for use. One is blending it and sieving it afterwards. Or if you are lazy, then you can just extract the juice, put it in a sieve, leave it overnight or for some few hours, and your juice will be ready. Just pour it in your spray bottle and you are good to go. But you can also blend it like I'm doing it right now, then sieve it. The next thing we need for the mask is egg. So I'm going to break the egg. You can use just the yolk or the white egg, or you can use both. In this video I use both, and to reduce the smell of the egg I am using lemon. So if you can contain the smell of the egg, you don't need to use lemon. Lemon is also good for dandruff, very good for dandruff. Egg is also another good product for hair. So all the products I'm using are just good hair products. And the next thing we need, that is the main ingredient, that is the banana. So I'm just going to cut my banana, mix everything and blend. You can either decide to add glycerin as I'm adding, or you can add other oil like coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, any oil available, any essential oil you have, you can add it. But I don't want oil, so I'm using glycerin. If you want to use glycerin, you're good to use it too. And blend your ingredient. Blend it very well because you don't want any particle in your hair. And this is our mixture well blended, and I'm just going to pour it in a bowl and continue with the second process. Blending our mixture, we have to mix it very well and make sure there's nothing inside. Then we'll pour our aloe vera on it and mix it very well. Guys, take your time and mix it very well, and then apply it to your hair. So if you have a dry hair, it's been a long time you've moisturized your hair, the first thing to do before you start applying the mixture is moisturize your hair before you do it. If you have low porosity hair, please use warm water to moisturize your hair very well before you add this process. When you use warm water to moisturize your hair before applying the product, it's going to help your hair to absorb the product very well. If you have high porosity or normal porosity, you don't have a problem. Just go ahead and apply the mask to your hair without any hesitation. But then make sure as you are doing so, don't put it on a dry hair. Make sure your hair is a bit moisturized or wet before applying the product. So this is just going to help your hair to assimilate or absorb the product in time and very fast. If you watched the video up to this point, please don't forget to leave a comment and also give this video a thumb up to increase my rating. So I'm starting a new journey of no combing of hair. So for the past 1 week I haven't combed my hair, and I'm going to continue to the end of the year and measure the length of my hair plus the one I've gained for the past 3 months and see which one works better. And fam, if no combing of the hair is going to work for me, then I must well as sell all my comb I'm just going to go without combing my hair. I'll just use my hand to detangle the hair and I'm good to go. Allow my hair to absorb the product very well. I have divided my hair into 8 parts, so you can decide to divide your hair into 4 or 3 depending on how you want it. Because I want my hair to assimilate the product, I have divided it into 8 and have time to concentrate on each part, and I'm making sure that the product is getting to every strand of hair on my head. You can add honey to the product if you want, but I don't want honey, so I am doing it like this because my leave-in conditioner contains a lot of honey, so I didn't see it necessary to put honey in my mask. But if you don't have honey in any of your hair product, then it's necessary you put it in the mask. After applying the product to your hair, cover it with a shower cap and go around your normal house duty. You can leave it for about 1 hour, minimum 1 hour. I kept it for 1 hour before washing it with warm water. So guys, until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting topic. Bye.